Hey guys, how's it going? It's Justine. Welcome back to my kitchen. I heard you guys, you were telling me to get back in the kitchen, but that was not like an insult way, like you wanted more baking videos. So guess what? We're here, we're in the kitchen, and normally this is not a place that you want me because I'm not good at cooking. I'm okay at baking. I've gotten a lot better over the years. But today I'm making something really exciting. I'm going to make my sister a birthday cake. Her birthday is actually today. Today I'm gonna be making her a grilled cheese cake. Grilled cheese is one of our favorite foods, and we also love cake. So basically, making a grilled cheese cake is a dream come true for both of us. Should I make this in a blender? Do you guys miss the blender? You do miss the blender. So a lot of you guys, some of you might be new here. I'm Justine, nice to meet you. Sometimes I make tech videos. That's actually my favorite thing to make. I also try to bake. It's usually not good. Oh, you might be also wondering, why are you making a cake in a blender? I really don't even have an answer for you. This is what I started doing. And here we are, still doing it. We're gonna make her a basic white cake. Super moist. How many times have I made a freaking cake and I can't remember what goes into it? Okay. Now, if you're making a cake in the blender, I would recommend putting in all of the wet ingredients first. This looks dirty. Don't tell Jenna. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Raise your hand if you've made a cake in a blender before. I don't see any other hands. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, need to grease these up. I'm gonna grease them up like a greased pig. This, I think I may have told this story before, but I grew up in a town that was kind of small. My high school was really small, and we basically was in the middle of a farm. People used to bring pigs to it was like a senior prank, and they would grease them up in like butter and oil and then let them go in the school. Grease it up like a greased high school pig. Whoa! This is really soupy. Probably shouldn't have mixed it so much. So these are gonna be our buns, or our bread, not buns, just bread. We're gonna put these in the oven for, I threw the box away, but it was probably like 25 to 30 minutes maybe. One of the complaints that I have about the HomePod is Siri can only set one timer. Like, is that some sort of technology that is so new that you can't set more than one timer? And then we're gonna get our icing ready. Our cakes are cooking, baking, whatever. Now we need to get our icing. So I need to have some yellow icing and some brown icing for kind of like the crust. And oh wait, the yellow would be the cheese. So I need a yellow icing, a crust. I need another bowl. It's a lot actually. This is probably way more icing than I'm gonna need. But I can always get more on Amazon Prime now. This will be our cheesy center. Going well so far. I think cheese is orange. Like, it's not what the color that I was thinking. This looks like some off-brand that you shouldn't eat or you'll die. This is like buffalo sauce. So I think that's a nice color for our cheese. It's definitely not exactly what I had in mind, but this will be our brown. You think that's a nice bread color? No? No. Okay. Something is not looking right.
So what about just like a tiny, tiny kiss of red?
A kiss of red? Oop. I wish I had magical powers. I could just be like, I do have magical powers. It's called editing. So this one I want it to be a little bit lighter because it's gonna be like the bread, like a slight toasting. No, I think I might have put too much red in. This is a better workout than going to the gym. Okay, just mix some icing. I think that's good enough. Yeah, you think that's bread? Does that look like bread?
It's lighter than the other one, so.
Yeah, you should just say, yeah, that looks like bread.
It looks so much like bread.
It's what I was thinking. Guys, I need you to say, yeah, that looks like bread. You guys should go comment on every YouTube video that's posted today and say, yeah, that looks like bread. We have got our icing set, we've got our cakes, I let them cool, and now we're gonna make this freaking grilled cheese. Normally, I would probably try to level these cakes, but since this isn't something that I really want to be very even, I'm not going to. I want this to be a very cheesy goodness for Jenna. She's not even here, so she's not even gonna get to really enjoy it, so I'm gonna have to save it for her. This actually is a perfect color I think Jenna's really gonna enjoy this. So now we're gonna flop on. Oh no. Please don't break. Phew. This is even a better grilled cheese, like not putting any icing on it. So now that I'm seeing what we're working with, I'm thinking about things very differently. Well, I'm gonna ice this up, and I'll see you guys after this sped up video of me icing. Yeah, definitely probably should have made the crust darker. Sometimes you need to just make the best out of any situation that you're in, so that's what I tell myself because I don't want to make more icing. I feel like this needs a little bit of texture, so if I go like this, it's gonna look like bread. And in my mind, this was gonna look incredible. In reality, I don't think Jenna's gonna enjoy my birthday cake that I made for her. I think it looks like a grilled cheese. It also could look like the surface of a planet. Well, here it is, guys. This is Jenna's birthday cake. It is a grilled cheese if you're just skipping to the end of the video and didn't watch the whole rest of it. I'm gonna go deliver this to her now. But in the meantime, make sure you guys hit subscribe and be sure to hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post new videos. So let's go to Jenna's. How am I gonna put this in my car? I didn't think about that. Yesterday, I made you a birthday cake. I was gonna drive it to your house and then I thought about traffic and I didn't drive it to your house. I'd like to present you a birthday cake.
You made it?
Oh, I made it. I mean,
Is it edible?
Yeah, I even washed my hands. What the? Do you know what this is?
I'd say it's like a hamburger, but I guess I don't eat ham, so it looks like a grilled, is it a grilled cheese?
A hamburger is not even
Not even a hamburger, like a
beef.
And you know what I mean? It's not. It looks like a sandwich, like a burger.
It does not look like a burger.
Well, like when I see like when I saw this, I thought like a bun, and you know the cheese melts over, but then I thought it's for me. So is it a grilled cheese?
It's a grilled cheese.
That makes sense. This must have taken you days to prepare for.
I didn't write your name on it because I didn't want it to be like, I wanted it to look like a grilled cheese. Look, now that
It looks like a grilled cheese.
now that you cut it sideways, that looks cool.
I'm impressed with your work.
Wow.
It looks good.
It does look good. I'm surprised.
Do you want to get a close up of it?
Yeah. Let me zoom in. What do you think?
Like, should I pick it up like a sandwich?
You should probably have from the center.
Oh, hard.
Yeah, have from the center. It's been in the fridge.
Happy birthday.
Go tell Jenna happy birthday on her channel.
Yeah, there's a super juicy video on my channel for my birthday.
Oh.
I did something dumb.
You did. Well, she hasn't done it yet.
I'm going to do something dumb.